Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start up your Shopify store. First, you'll want to choose a memorable name for your online shop and secure a custom domain, which helps build brand recognition. Next, select a Shopify plan that aligns with your business size and projected sales volume. There are several options available. Finally, complete the initial setup by entering your business details and configuring essential store settings, ensuring a solid foundation for your e-commerce journey. Once your basic setup is complete, it's time to populate your store. Begin by adding your products, ensuring each item has compelling descriptions, high-quality images, and accurate pricing. Next, personalize your store's appearance by choosing and customizing a theme that reflects your brand's aesthetic and values. Shopify offers hundreds of themes, both free and paid, to help you create a professional look. Finally, organize your products into logical collections, making it simple for customers to browse and find what they need. With products and design in place, focus on the operational essentials. Accurately set up your shipping rates and define delivery zones, considering both domestic and international options. Then, integrate secure payment gateways, such as Shopify Payments or PayPal, to allow customers to complete their purchases smoothly. It's crucial to offer multiple payment methods for convenience. Lastly, create and publish essential legal pages, including your privacy policy, terms of service, and refund policy, to build trust and ensure compliance. You're almost ready to go live. Before launching, conduct a thorough review of all your store settings, from product details to checkout processes, ensuring everything functions perfectly. Implement basic search engine optimization, or SEO, by using relevant keywords in your product descriptions and titles to help customers find you through search engines. Finally, develop an initial marketing plan, perhaps utilizing social media or email campaigns, to announce your grand opening and attract your very first customers. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.